This is inferior vena cava inferior. Here it is ascendens colon, ascendens, and this is descendens colon, descendens. Here it is cecum, and blood from posterior side of ascendens and descendens colon through vena lumbalis ascendens goes to inferior vena cava. And also we know that from ascendens colon we have vena colica dextra, which continues into vena mesenterica superior. From descendens colon, vena colica sinistra continues into vena mesenterica inferior, and here it is splenic vein. And now, number 1, portal vein, number 2, superior mesenteric, number 3, right colic, number 4, inferior mesenteric, 5, left colic, 6, splenic vein, and this is number 7, vena lumbalis, and 8, inferior vena cava. That is anastomosis in the region of porta-caval anastomosis in the region of ascendens and descendens colon. Now, liver, portal vein, superior mesenteric, inferior mesenteric, and splenic. Here it is rectum. And this is inferior vena cava, common iliac veins, internal iliac, external iliac, and internal iliac receive internal pudendal vein, vena pudenda interna. And now, vena rectalis superior goes to
inferior
mesenteric vein, vena rectalis media, internal iliac, and vena rectalis inferior, internal pudendal. Number 1, portal vein, 2, superior mesenteric, 3, inferior mesenteric, 4, splenic, 5, vena rectalis superior, 6, vena rectalis media, 7, vena rectalis inferior, 8, internal pudendal, 9, internal iliac, 10, common iliac, 11, inferior vena cava. Porta-caval anastomosis in the region of rectum. And last diagram, that is anastomosis, no, not anastomosis, that is circulation of fetus, fetal circulation. Here it is placenta, and from placenta oxygenated blood through umbilical vein, vena umbilicalis. Put here number 1. I write that is oxygen, O2. Goes to portal vein. This is liver. And umbilical vein opens into portal vein, vena porta. This is portal vein. And blood from umbilical vein, the same through ductus venosus, goes to directly into inferior vena cava. That is vena cava inferior, and here it is number 2, ductus venosus. It also brings oxygenated blood to inferior vena cava. Here it is number 3. Vena cava inferior. This is deoxygenated blood passes in inferior vena cava, and here oxygenated and deoxygenated blood mixed in this place. That is first place where blood mixed, and this mixed blood goes upward and it receives deoxygenated blood from liver, hepatic veins. Yes, vena hepatica. It is second place where blood mixed, and this mixed blood goes to right
Atrium.
This is right atrium. It is left side. This is interatrial septum with what? With
Fossa
foramen in fetus, foramen ovale, and it is interventricular septum. And blood from inferior vena cava goes to right atrium and directly continues through foramen ovale into left atrium. And from left atrium goes to left ventricle. And what starts from left ventricle? Aorta. This is aorta. And here it is superior vena cava, and blood from superior vena cava goes to right atrium, from right atrium goes to right ventricle, and goes to pulmonary trunk. This is pulmonary trunk, which subdivides into right and left pulmonary arteries. And it is deoxygenated blood goes to pulmonary trunk, but in fetus, lungs not participate in breathing. That is why not necessary to conduct all of this blood through lungs. That is why most part of this blood, deoxygenated blood, comes to aorta through ductus arteriosus. And this deoxygenated blood comes here and mixed. That is third place where blood mixed. And this blood, it is mixed blood, but it is not rich with the oxygen. And this blood goes to aorta. Aorta subdivides into common iliac arteries, common iliac
internal and
external, and from internal iliac artery start umbilical artery, right and left. And both of these arteries goes to umbilical rim, and together with umbilical vein goes to placenta. Oh, that is umbilical cord. Umbilical cord goes to placenta. And here blood goes to placenta, exchange of gases, and one again oxygenated blood comes to fetus through umbilical vein. Clear it is? We put labels. Number 1, we already said, that is umbilical vein. Number 2, ductus
venosus.
Number 3, inferior vena cava. Number 4, portal vein. Number 5, hepatic veins. Number 6, superior vena cava. Number 7, foramen ovale. Number 8, aorta. I draw, but it is not necessary to write. What is it? Brachiocephalic trunk, left common carotid, and left subclavian. Why I draw these branches? Because ductus arteriosus opens into aorta below from subclavian, left subclavian vein. That is why blood which goes to the head and neck and upper extremity is richer with the oxygen than blood which descends through aorta to another organs. Clear? Because ductus arteriosus opens into aortic arch below from the left subclavian artery. Number 9. Pulmonary trunk. Number 10, pulmonary arteries. 11, ductus arteriosus. 12, common iliac artery. External iliac. Internal iliac. And it is the same, internal iliac. And number 15, umbilical arteria umbilicalis. This is, I put here 16, placenta. What happened after the birth? If fetus, after delivery of fetus, we cut umbilical cord and umbilical vein, it closed and makes round ligament of the liver. Ductus venosus, it's replaced with connective tissue and makes ligamentum venosum. Do you remember on the liver we have fissura ligamenti venosi? That is place where venous ligament present. And venous ligament, it is ligament which on the place where was ductus venosus. Then foramen ovale closed and makes fossa ovalis, and ductus arteriosus between pulmonary trunk and aorta. It makes ligamentum arteriosum, and umbilical arteries makes ligamentum umbilicalis medialis. That is all. This diagram is the same necessary to draw. Next time, only diagrams we will draw, and
All diagram.
we will see.